Good morning all of you. Welcome back to the online classes of KV Academy. Today I am going to teach you class 6 subject history. Topic is teaching of Buddhism. You know, Mahatma Buddha founded the Buddhism in 511 BC, and this given one of the greatest novelism, and also it gives a great idea about to see about the fate of among the Indians, among the society, what are the faiths, beliefs. And you know, Mahatma Buddha was a young, one of the prince. He lived in a one palace. He did not know whatever was there in the outside world. When he come outside the world, he noticed the old man, dead man, and he come to know that this may be happen in this world. So that's why he left all over his property, families, for the knowledge, get the enlightenments in the world. That's why in the Bodh Gaya he got enlightened in the Bodhi tree, and for Bodhi tree he gives one of teaching. He is known as Eightfold Path. There are 8 noble fold paths. Where first one is right view. Means right view means you believe towards any people is in a good condition. You think among peoples, respect all the religion in the society, also respect their family matters and respect them, because all are the creature of the God, and God is only one kind, one. Their names are different, but God is only one. Second one is right intention. You know, intention. You think right intention to the mind that he is a good person. Don't think he belongs to the lower caste or upper caste. Believe in the mind he is a good person. He is a good person. He can do well. Do good, do well. So that's why believe in any person. Your intention will be good. Don't try to harm that persons. You should only behave that you will do good for them, not disharm, and don't punish them about their minor guilty or major guilties. Third one is right speech. You know, our tongue is the greatest weapon in the world. So whatever we spoke, whatever we speak to the other person, we took in the mind that we should speak politely to them. Don't hurt their hearts. Don't try to hurt their hearts. Only believe that how can they cheer up, and always help in their study or in their truthless, in their state life, or in their happiness life. Fourth one is right concentration. You know, examination going on, you concentrate your mind in the books. So concentration is very much important for the view. Right concentration gives you a good knowledge, good impart, and can win your race. So concentration is very good. You should concentrate your mind, take meditation also, know the group, and always help the needy person. This is to serve the mankind, is to serve the God. Right mindfulness. Your mind should be sharp. Your mind should be sharp. And right mindfulness, this sharp mind will give you a greatest effort and give you a status in the society. All can polite you, respect you. Your status should be good in the society. So that's why right mindfulness is very necessary for you. Sixth one is right effort. You should believe in right ways, efforts. So that's why right efforts, good attempts give you intention in the life. So effort is very necessary for. Right efforts give you a good status in the society. You should effort. Don't go to the result. First you should attempt, effort it, and result will be come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. First you don't left your horses. A good effort give you a good knowledgeable enlightenment in the society. And right livelihood means in the society you should live in a harmony way. Don't disbehave other societies, other persons, other things. Don't feel guilty of others. So right livelihood give you a status, and it give you a unique village also, village society also. Live in a comfortable way. Go to the others religious ceremony also, in the desert, in a funeral ground also, and respect all the religion, because there is only one thing, this soul. Soul is immortal. So that's why respect any person, and don't hurt the thinking and other religious matters, and don't create a sentiment that there is a idols worship. Only believe in God. God is only God is present with you. And last one is right action. Your work is be good. You try to, if any person harm you, don't think in the mind you can also harm you. You do right efforts. One day that person come to you and applies you and oblige you that you are a good person. That's why this eightfold path, if you follow this eightfold path of Mahatma Buddha, you sure get success in life. So this equals your success in the life. That's why this eightfold path give you a unique society in the society. That's why right view, right intention, right speech, right concentration, right mindfulness, and right effort, and right livelihood, and right action. This is the eightfold path of Buddhism. So that's why you should follow this eightfold path to make a society, to make one of the responsible person of the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.